Hey guys, walking is great exercise and part of the 110 Tone program. I love the fresh air and sunshine, and I'm so lucky to have a beautiful park nearby to walk anytime. A few of you have told me though that it's not safe in your neighbourhood to walk, or it's dark when you get home, or even snowing. So today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do instead without leaving your house. Okay, the first move is step-ups. If you have a step anywhere around your house, then just go for it. You can do 10 minutes at once, or 2 5-minute sessions work equally as well. Okay, the second one is called knee high, and what we do there is just lift our knees like this. It's actually day 28 in the program, but we're not using any weights at all when we do it for cardio. So you just get moving and that's all you do. Okay, so the next and last one is called skater, and all we do there is have feet shoulder width apart and we lift our heels to the back, just like this. And if you get more ambitious, you can also move your arms around too, so something like this, or anything you like. Sideways, just be careful not to hit the fan. And that's it, just keep moving. And before I go, I just wanted to say a big thank you to those who have bought the 110 Tone book and have sent through awesome feedback that they're having great success. Thanks for watching, see you next time.